Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate closing document preparation with ZipLogix, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate closing document preparation with ZipLogix, begin by logging into your ZipLogix account. Navigate to the Transaction tab on your dashboard. Select the transaction for which you need to prepare closing documents. Once in the transaction, locate the Documents section. Click on Add Document to access the document library. Search for the required closing documents using keywords or categories. Select the documents you need and click Add to include them in your transaction. Review the documents to ensure they are accurate and complete. Next, click on the Forms tab to access the necessary forms for your closing. Utilize the ZipLogix autofill feature to populate fields automatically with client and property information. Make any necessary manual adjustments to ensure all details are correct. Once all data is entered, proceed to the Checklist section. Ensure all required documents are present and accounted for in your checklist. When everything is confirmed, click on the Generate Documents button. Preview the generated closing documents to verify their accuracy. If adjustments are needed, return to the respective sections and modify as necessary. After confirming everything is correct, you can save the documents within the platform. Consider using the e-signature feature for document signing. Send documents to all relevant parties for signature directly through ZipLogix. Once all signatures are collected, download the finalized closing documents. Lastly, organize all documents in a secure folder for future reference. By following these steps, you will successfully automate the closing document preparation process with ZipLogix. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.